This is chicken of the wood mushroom, dry saute. It was frozen, so it's not a fresh one. We'll see how it turned out. Look like barbecue chicken. It's chicken of the wood mushroom. That's chicken of the wood. Let's see. Taste test time. So it does look like a chicken. So like head like that. Does it look like chicken meat? This is mushroom. Yep. Look like that. Taste test time. This is chicken of the wood mushroom. It looked like chicken. It looked like chicken for real. So let's see, use hand. See, like this. See, looks so much like chicken. It has chicken texture. It actually has a pretty good flavor. That's why people like chicken of the wood.